Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutch Cooking and welcome to Dutch's new kitchen. I'm going to put a video out on how I built this place, but we've got all our old favourites in here. We've got the brick built stove, we've got the Argentinian grill, we've got the pizza oven, we've also got some new additions. We've got a full kitchen, we've got sink, running water, electric hob and prep areas. So today we're cooking on the electric rings. We're doing the April challenge for Cast Iron Wednesday, which is pasta, and we're making beef brisket ragu. Let's cook. So the first thing we're going to do is going to get a pan on with some water in for our pasta. We're going to take our cast iron dish, get that on, and let it start warming up. So that's warmed up, we're going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. First ingredient in is one small onion that I've just chopped. Second ingredient, one small carrot that's been peeled and finely diced. These have had about 3 minutes now. Start to soften. Onions are going translucent. Now time to add 1 clove of chopped garlic. We'll just give that a minute. So now we've got some leftover pulled beef brisket. I'm just going to put that in the pot. I'm just going to break this up. Then we've got about 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Want to get that in. Mixed in. Want to cook that rawness out of that puree. Then we're going to go in with a splash of red wine. So we want this alcohol to burn off. So we're just going to use a high heat. You can really smell that red wine. So the next thing to add is my favourite, Worcestershire sauce. And why do I like to add Worcestershire sauce? It's because I can say it. Sprinkling of pepper. So we just need a little bit more liquid. I've got some beef stock here. Just see how much we need. Don't want it too runny. Yep, we don't want it too dry because obviously this is going over the dry pasta. I'm just going to add a little drop more. There we are. So now we're just going to let that cook down 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes we're going to do our pasta. So I've got a couple of sheets of fresh pasta. Simply going to roll up and cut into about 1-inch ribbons. So our pasta into our water. So that's our pasta ready and our ragu. So it's time to get this plated. It's going for a bit of a taste test. Look at that. It's got a real nice flavour. Tell the depth of it with the red wine, just a hint of garlic, just that little bit of the tomato puree coming through. This is a real nice dish.